Okay, so today we will show you how you can record your Google Meet and then share it with your students. So what's great about this Google Meet is that you can be in here all by yourself. You don't have to have students or colleagues in here to record. It can just be you, and you can show a slide deck where you are showing students how to do some work, or you can use the whiteboard extension that we shared last time to demonstrate work as well. Or you can simply show how to navigate something in your Google Classroom or something else. And then when you're done with the recording, you can share it out with your students. When you are in your Google Meet, you want to hover your cursor over the bottom so that this bar pops up. If you go to the right-hand side, you'll see the More menu or the three dots. You will want to click on them. Now, we have already started recording, which is why it says stop recording. But for you, you will see that circle. It'll be grayed out and it'll say start recording. So you want to go ahead and click on that. You'll then see in your screen in the upper left-hand side, it'll start saying record once it has begun recording. So there's about a 5 to 10 second delay before it actually starts recording. So you want to make sure you see that red record before you start presenting whatever it is you wish to present and have recorded. So many of you I know are working with Google Slides to show students how to do something. So you want to open up a new tab that has the Google slide you want. So you do not have to put it in present mode if you want to show them how to manipulate the Google slide. So if you are assigning a template such as this Frayer model template, here you would just click and show them how they can click and change the text accordingly. But if it's something that is more instructional, you can just hit the present button and you will see that it will go full screen, and you can just navigate as you would normally using your arrow keys, and it'll go through the slide deck presentation. To go back to your Google Meet, you'll just come up to your different tabs in your window. And then when you're done, you want to click stop presenting and then stop recording. We're not going to click that now because we want this to continue to record. Google then takes a few moments. It's usually a few minutes depending on how long the recording was. You'll then get an email in your inbox. So right now you should be seeing my inbox. You'll get these emails from meet-recording- I believe it's no reply at google.com. And it'll have the name of the recording. Now, we did not name this Google Meet, which is why you just see the access code here. If you named your Google Meet, you'll see it. For example, for the Flipgrid webinar, we named it Webinar Flipgrid, so that's how it came through. To access the recording, you want to click on the attachment in the email. A new window will open up, as you can see. So from here, you can preview your video. We're not going to make you watch this video, but as you can see here, you also have that more option, the three dots. You want to click on it. Here you have the options you normally see in your Google Drive. So if you wish to move it to a specific folder in your drive, you would click here on Organize. As you can see, mine is in a folder called Meet Recordings, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. But you can also then change the share settings so that your students can access this video later. So to do that, you would click here where it says Share, and you want to click here where it says Get Shareable Link. So now anyone at Linwood Unified can view this video. So you would want to copy this link here by clicking Copy Link. As you can see, I got the confirmation that it has been copied to the clipboard. You then want to paste that link into your Google Classroom, whether you do it as an assignment or an announcement, and let your students know that they can click on that link to view the video. Now, for those of you who want to then put it on YouTube instead, that is another option. So as you can see in the same area, we have the download button. You want to go ahead and click download so that it can download to your computer. Now, again, depending on how long your video is, it'll determine how long it will take for the video to download. But once it has downloaded, you want to go to your YouTube channel. To do that, you just go to youtube.com. And then on the upper right, you should see either your face, your picture, or your initial if you have not uploaded a picture. You want to click on it. And then you see the option for your channel. You want to go ahead and click on that. If you don't see the blue upload, you want to click down. It says upload a video to get started. So here you would click that. You can drag and drop the file here, or you can click Select Files and choose it from there. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop. And to reiterate, depending on how long your recording was, this one was a very short recording, so it uploaded fairly quickly. Now you are required to add a title here. You want to make sure to do that. The description is not required, but you can put a description for your students. Maybe you can write a quick sentence or two about what they will be viewing in this video. Usually, YouTube will generate a thumbnail from your video, and that'll be the default one. As you can see, it's still processing down here. It says 95% processed. Once it reaches 100, it'll show different options for the thumbnail, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at whatever it chooses for the default. If you already have some playlists and you want to add this video to an existing playlist, you would do that here. You would click the drop down and select your playlist, or you would click New Playlist and create a playlist for your students. So maybe I want to call this and Recordings. This is where you want to determine the visibility of that playlist. Public means anybody on the internet can search and find it. Private means only those you share it with can find it. However, there is a limit. I cannot recall at the moment if the limit is 25 users or 50 users. So since there is a limit there, we do recommend unlisted. So unlisted means whoever has the link can view it. So we're going to make it unlisted and click create so that our YouTube channel is created, or our YouTube playlist rather, not channel. So now it's there. I want to click it and select done. Here we have the choice for audience. If you want to know more information about it, you want to click here on what's content made for kids. Now, since this video recording is for my students, it is made for kids. So I'm going to select yes, it's made for kids. And as you can see, it's giving me more information here that personalized ads and notifications won't be available for videos like this, which is a good thing. Okay, then I'm going to click next. Do not worry about the video elements. You do not need to add an end screen or cards. Click next again. Now, just like with our playlist, you need to determine your visibility for your video. So again, I'm going to make this as unlisted. Okay. Then I'm going to click save. As you can see, it's showing me the preview here with the thumbnail, as well as the title. And here is the unique YouTube link for that specific video. So I can click here to copy the link. And that is the link that I can share with students and or parents. So as you can see, it's now here in my channel with the video details. So it's telling me here that it's unlisted, that it's made for kids, and when it was uploaded. Now here's an important step. Our filter is very strict, as you may remember, in order to protect students from going to websites they should not be visiting. So you want to make sure to open up a new tab and paste your video, and then you want to approve it. So normally when you go to YouTube and you find a video that you're choosing to share with students, you should see this bar here that says video not approved for LUSD. What that means is that if it's not approved, students will not be able to access. So you want to be sure that you click here and approve the video. Otherwise, students using the district issued Chromebooks will see that black page with the orange reddish bar that says that it is blocked. If you click approve here, it'll remove that restriction, and the filter will know that students can access this video. So that concludes how to record your Google Meet and either share it from your drive or upload it and share it from YouTube.